So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver H610M. Okay, so first you have to see www.gigabyte.com, this website. You can come and then you can, this is search button to enter, and then enter your model number of motherboard H610M. Okay, and then enter. Then click on product. Then find out your motherboard. So this one. Click on support. Select your operating system, which is required Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 driver. So this is, you can see this is first audio driver. To try to install this one. This is it, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading here in the download box. I already downloaded. Just open it after download. Then double click to launch. Then can, yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So this is closed automatically, means this is installed. And then close it. Then chipset. So install this one, serial driver. So first download this one, chipset serial driver, and it is completed. Just open it. Then double click to launch for the installation. Yes. Okay, and then close it. After that, install one more Intel INF. Sorry, this one Intel INF is, click to download. Completed. Open this and double click to launch. And then yes. Now this is extracting. and then close it. It is completed. Then scroll down the LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download, and double click launch, and then yes. Now this is installing. So it is closed automatically, and then close it. VJ driver, select the VJ driver and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. Almost this is 759 MB. It is completed. Just single click to open, and double click open. Then click to yes, and after that this is extract to for the installation. So it is closed means this is installed.